Welcome everybody to my first ever art challenge video. I got this idea from the YouTuber Casey Golden. If you haven't checked her stuff out, definitely check it out. She's a fantastic artist and she makes really fun videos. And this one is called the 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second challenge. So this means I have to create a drawing or the same painting, drawing, for each of those different time limit constraints. So the first piece of artwork I will have 10 minutes to complete it, the second only 1 minute, and the last 10 seconds. So because watercolor takes a while to dry, this will be very interesting because I'm going to try to do this in watercolor, including the 10-second one. And the subject of today will be a mermaid bunny, since that is my thing. I figured I'd go with that. So we'll be doing the same mermaid bunny for each of the different time constraints. So I guess let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to put an on-screen timer because I'm recording with my phone. And I'm looking at my iPad for the timer. So I will put an on-screen timer for when we start. So here we go. Let's get started with the 10-minute one. All right, go. So we're gonna start over here and just gonna do my classic little bunny. Not gonna do anything too crazy or creative today. This was my first art challenge and I have no idea how these are done. This is so new to me. And I'm also trying to not mess up the other paper as I'm drawing. So this is definitely my go-to. If I don't know what to draw, I'm like, oh, let me draw a mer bunny because that's my thing. That's my go-to, my safe art. Alright, what kind of fins should we give her? We'll give her the kind that I like this. And let's add some flukes, I guess you call them. Little thingies on the side. Alright. It's pretty good. Thankfully it doesn't take me too long to draw these, that's why they're also a good subject. Alright, let's add a little flower to her hair. Her ear, I don't know, I'm not sure what to call it. Alright, that was pretty easy. So next we'll go in and do the painting part. Still got 8 minutes left. I'm kind of taking my time with this one because it doesn't take me too long to make them. It's mostly just waiting for the paint to dry. And we'll make her kind of have the sort of the multicolored tone to her. I like doing that, where I kind of do some different shades of just colors in her fur. So it's kind of like she has a white base of fur, and I'm just kind of adding in whatever colors I feel like. It's really how it goes. I don't have much of a plan. I just like to stick with cool colors. Usually that's my go-to. They're my favorite. I feel like I'm actually going to have some time left on this one for when I finish it, really. Give her the red, little pink ears. Alright, add some pink and purple there. Purple is my favorite color, so I usually put tones that are kind of blue and blue, pink, purple kind of area a lot in my work. paper is interesting. It really, really, it dries quickly. It dries the paint really quickly, which is a little tricky for me. Not what I'm used to, but that's okay. Alright, we got 6 minutes left. So, okay, now time feels like it's going a little faster. So I'm going to speed up just a little bit more. So actually, you know, it's actually really good that this paper dries so quickly. I just realized, like, because of this challenge. So that works out. Alright, let's go ahead and do her tail. I'm going to do a purple tail because, like I said, purple's my favorite color, and that's just my go-to. Okay, let's see. Some of that, some of this, some of that. Make it a little lighter in through there, a little darker on the edges. That's what I always try to do. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Little tropical bun. You have to leave for sure, let me know in the comments if there's any challenges you guys would like to see in particular. I would love to hear your feedback. I've been doing a lot of research on other challenges that are going around and getting some ideas, but I am very open to hearing if there's any ones in particular you guys have seen that you would like to see me do. I'm very open to the challenge. Alright, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's just put dots of that. Some more blue. I'm digging how this is coming out. Like for it being on a time constraint. Oh man, I still have to outline it. Oh gosh, I just realized that. Okay, let me get some, okay, let me get some pink up in there, and her nose. Soft pink, we don't want it to look bloody, that's for sure. Give her a cheek. Alright. I'm not gonna put too much detail into this tail, because we don't have time for that, so I'm going to outline the edges here. If it will get darker, let's just go for that blue. That's a nice dark blue. There we go. Alright, looking good. Looking good, bun. Alright, we got 3 minutes left, so I'm going to start outlining it. Oh, I forgot the dot of yellow right here. There we go. And so yeah, we're going to go over the areas that we haven't. Thankfully, it doesn't take me too long to outline. This is going a little faster than what I'm used to, but it's not too bad. Swirl. I should have let that dry a little bit more, but that's okay. Alright. I'm gonna have to fill in that eye later. So let's just get the paw out of the way. Give her the fur, little fur thingies. Okay, let's do the ear real quick. If I can find a bigger pen size other than 1. I have a lot of micron 1s because I do a lot of little detailing work, so this will do. This is like a brush pen. Ooh, she's looking a little sad. I don't know about that. Okay, we have 2 minutes left, so and that tail is so not dry yet, so we're gonna kind of go around the edges, like like this, kind of. I don't know. There we go. Man, this makes it so much harder. than like doing it with pen or markers or something that dries immediately. Oh boy, we are on the last leg here. Let's get that flower. Doot doot doot. Oh, that needs to dry. Ah, running out of time. Okay, and then I like doing these little swirls and little fur marks. Oh, I forgot to make that pink. Oh my gosh. We're going to do this really quickly, super quickly, because we have less than a minute left. Okay, there we go. That is really dark, but that's okay. All right. And quickly, some scales. Oh boy, this is not fun using this pen over still wet paper. Let me tell you, this is not fun. Okay, 26 seconds left. Whew. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, boy, boy. We're gonna do this real quick. Haha. 10 seconds. Oh gosh. That's just gonna have to be like that. And okay, we're done. Doop. There goes the timer. Okay. Yes, thank you. Alright, so here is our finished product. Ta-da! So this is for 10 minutes of time. Okay, so next we have 1 minute. Here we go. Here we go. So let's get into this. I'm gonna get my timer to 1. Oh gosh, I am really nervous about this. How am I gonna do this with watercolor? I think I'm just gonna have to go in and outline it. I'm just going to probably go in and outline it first before anything, and then just paint what I can. That's gonna be my plan. So yes, we are going to get a fresh marker that I'm going to make sure works well. Yes, this one does. And let's see what happens, everybody. All right, here we go. And start. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. "38 seconds. 38. Ooh, this is not a good body. That is for sure. This is not good. Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. All right. Here we go. Here we go. 13 seconds left. We're going to make sure we color this tail if nothing else. Come on, come on, come on. More color, more color. And all right. So here is our mer bunny after 1 minute. At least we got color down on there. So now 10 seconds. I am considering this is a 2-process kind of thing with the pen and then the paint. Oh my goodness. The microns are hard to use quickly, so I'm thinking I need to go in with a bigger, like this one, like a 5. I'm gonna go in with a 5, and oh man, these are not easy to use quickly. What's this? Okay. I don't really have anything else exciting laying around, so we're gonna do this and try to see if I can even add any paint. This is gonna be crazy. So are you guys ready? Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna like press start and just like drop this in my lap. All right, fair enough. Here we go. Okay, I have it in my lap, so I'm gonna like go ahead and go now. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, 1 second. Whoo! All right. We have a blind little poor mer bunny. I gotta say, I'm honestly pretty happy with how the colors came out in that one. But this would have been this one would have been a lot easier to do if I had a different pen. So I'm definitely gonna have to revisit this in the future, but with different art supplies. I think that'd be really cool. So there we go. 10 minutes, 1 minute, 10 seconds. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this video. If you have any other art challenge suggestions, I would love to hear any you would like to see me do. And as always, if you enjoy this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.